Welcome to digital classes. Hi children, how are you? Are you fine? Very good children. You must stay at home. You don't go outside. If you go outside, you must wear mask. Okay children, you must stay at home. You don't go outside. Okay children, in our last class, what we discussed? Children? Very good. We learned about 3-digit numbers. You know about the place values of 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. And also we learned a little bit of comparing of 3-digit numbers. You know what is biggest number, what is smallest number, you know children. Today also we learn more about 3-digit numbers. Okay children? Comparing 3-digit numbers. Today let us discuss more about comparing 3-digit numbers. Children, look at the picture. Here are some notes and coins. You see the notes and coins, and also you say which are more and which are less. You see the notes children here. Yes. What is the amount is given here? What is the amount is given here? Yes. You see here? Yes, very good. 354 is given. 354 is given. How many hundreds are here children? How many hundreds are here? How many hundreds are here? Very good. There are 300s are there. There are 300s are there. How many tens are given children? How many tens are there? In 354, how many tens are there? Very good. 5 tens are there. There are 5 tens. Very good. 5 tens are there. How many kinds are there? How many kinds are there? Very good. There are only 4 kinds. 4 kinds. The total amount is 354. Very good. 354. The total amount is 354. Now let us see another picture. Here is another picture, and also here also the notes and kinds were given here. You see how many notes are here in the second case. How many notes are here? Very good. There are 3 notes. 300 notes are given. 300 notes were given. Very good children. How many tens are given here? How many tens are given here children? Just there are only 2 tens are given. Very good. 2 tens are given. How many kinds are given? Only. Very good. Only 1 kind is given. 1 kind is given. What is the total amount here shown? Very good. The total amount is 321. The total amount is 321. Okay children. Here are 354 amount is there and 321 amount is there. Okay. Hundreds are given. Here hundreds are given. There also hundreds given. Okay. And kinds are also. Kinds were given here. Kinds were given there. Okay children. Now here, which is the biggest number? Is it 354 or 321? Very good. Yes. Which is the biggest number children? Can anyone say? Which is the biggest number? Very good. 354 is the biggest number. 354 is the biggest number. Very good. Very good children. If you see the numbers 354, you see here 354 and also 321. You see hundreds. How many hundreds are here? 300s are here. How many hundreds are here? 300s are here. Very good children. Here are 300. here are 300. Same. 300s, 300s. Both are same. Okay, children, there is no any difference in 100 place. 100 place is same. Now let us take tens place. You see, here are 5 tens. Here only 2 tens. Yes. How many tens more than it? How many tens are more here? 3 tens are more than here. Okay, children. So this is the big number because the three tens are more here. So this is the big number. Okay, children. When you see the one trick is there, one principle is there here. You see here. If the 100 place is same, if the 100 place is same, if the 100 places are same, when you compare two numbers, if the 100 places are same, let us go for tens place. Let us see the tens place. Let us compare the tens place. Yes, you see it. Tens place. Which number has more tens? That is the biggest number. Which number has more tens? That is the biggest number. Okay, children. If the 100 places are same, let us compare the tens place. Which number has more tens? That is the biggest number. That is the largest number. Okay, children. Now I am writing here. You see here. 354 is greater than 321. You see here. 321 is less than 354. 321 is less than 354. Okay, children.
Children, look at the chart. And observe the tens. Children, now let us observe the tens. In 354, there are 5 tens. In 321, there are 2 tens. There are more tens in 354 than 321. Therefore, 354 is bigger. We say 354 is bigger than 321. We write 354 is greater than 321. In the same manner, 321 is less than 354. We write it as 321 is less than 354. Children, look at the trick chart. In 3-digit numbers, if the hundreds are the same, the one with more tens is bigger. Okay, children? In 3-digit numbers, if the hundreds are the same, the one with more tens is bigger. The number which has more tens is bigger. Okay, children? This is a trick. You must remember it while you are comparing the numbers.
given here? Very good. Here are some notes and kinds are there. Okay, children. You look at the picture and you observe the kinds and notes. You observe the notes and kinds, and you say which are more and which are less. Which are more and which are less here. You see, children. How many notes are given in this picture? Here, how many notes are given? Very good. How many notes? Yes, there are 200 notes. And how many tens notes are given here? Very good. 3 tens notes. How many kinds are given here? Very good. 1 kind is given. 200 notes. And how many tens were given? 3. Very good. 3 tens were given. Very good. How many kinds? How many kinds were given? Only 1 kind is given. Only 1 kind is given. Very good, children. That is, what is the total number here? What is the total amount is given here? 231. Very good. 231 is given. There are 200 notes and 3 tens notes. Only 1 kind is there. Okay, total amount is 231. 231. And also you see the another picture here. How many hundreds are given here? Children, you see here how many hundreds are given? Very good. Here 200s were there. 200s are there. And how many tens are there? 3. 3 tens are there. 3 tens are there. How many 5? How many kinds are given here? 5 kinds. 5 kinds. Very good, children. 200s and 3 tens. 5 kinds are there. Very good. What is the total amount? Total amount 235. Total amount 235. Very good, children. One is 231 amount and other one is 235 amount. Very good, children. Which is the biggest amount? Which is the biggest amount, children? Is it 231 or 235? Very good. Very good. 235 is the biggest amount. Very good, children. Very good. 235 is the biggest amount. 235 is the biggest amount. You see, 235. How many hundreds are here, children? Yes, only 200s are here. How many hundreds are here? Yes, the same 200s are there. How many tens are here? 3 tens are here. How many tens are here? 3 tens are here. Hundreds, tens. Here and here, both are same. Hundreds places are same. Tens places are same. Let us go for ones place. You see here. Let us go for ones place. How many ones are here, children? How many ones are here? Very good. There are 5 ones. How many ones are there? There are 5 ones. Here you see. How many ones are here? Here is only. Very good. 1. Only one is the one kind is there. Okay, children? Only one is there. Okay? Now this is here 4 is more than here. 4 is more this number. 4 ones are more here. 4 ones are more here. So this is the biggest number. This is the biggest number. 235 is greater than 231. 235 is greater than 231. Okay?
Children, look at the chart. Look at the chart. In both 231 and 235, the hundreds and tens are equal. Now observe the ones. In 231, there are 1 ones. In 235, there are 5 ones. Therefore, 235 is bigger. It means 235 is bigger than 231. 235 is greater than 231. 231 is smaller than 235. 235 is smaller than 235. We can write in the form of symbol. Okay, children? Children, observe the trick to find out to compare the 3-digit numbers. This is a trick. Children, have you read the trick? In 3-digit numbers, if hundreds and tens are equal, the one with more ones is the bigger number. In 3-digit numbers, if hundreds and tens are equal, the one with more ones is the bigger number. Children, remember it. Don't forget. Children, look at the picture. What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? Very good. There are some eggs. There are 5 eggs. Very good. In which order they are arranged? In which order they are arranged? Very good. From the smallest to the biggest. They are arranged from the smallest to the biggest. Very good, children. Very good. These eggs are arranged from the smallest to the biggest. How do you call this order? You know about it. You learnt in earlier class. How do you call this order? Very good. This order is called ascending order. This order is called ascending order. Very good. The eggs are arranged in ascending order. The eggs are arranged in ascending order. Look at the picture, children. Look at the picture. What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? Yes, these are houses. These are houses. These are wood houses. These are wood houses. Very good, children. Children, you observe the order. In which order they are arranged? In which order they are arranged? You observe the order. Yes, very good, children. These wood houses are arranged from the smallest to the biggest. From the smallest to the biggest. Yes. How do you call this order? You know about it. How do you call this order? Very good. This order is called ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but arranging anything from the smallest to the biggest order is called ascending order. Very good. Very good, children. Children, look at the another picture. What do you see in this picture? Very good. There are 4 plants. There are 4 green plants. Very good. How many In which order? In which order the plants are arranged? Very good. The plants are arranged from the smallest to the biggest order. How do you call this order? Again, this order is called ascending order. This order is called ascending order. Very good. Children, look at these oil drums, how they are arranged. Very good. They are arranged from the smallest to the biggest in order. Very good. This order is called ascending order. This order is called ascending order. Children, look at the balls. In which order these are arranged? Very good. They are arranged in descending order. Descending order from the biggest to the smallest. They are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. Children, look at these numbers. These numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. Okay, children. 291 is the biggest number and 213 is the smallest number. These numbers are arranged in descending order. Descending order. You observe the numbers. Children, look at these numbers, how they are arranged. They are arranged from the smallest to the biggest number. Which is the smallest number here? 213 is the smallest number. Next biggest number is 230. Next big number is 245. Next big number is 277. So the last and the biggest number is 291. This order is called ascending order. This order is called ascending order. Children, now let us do another exercise in third bit. See these numbers, children. Let us compare these numbers. A1, 520, 520. Yes, both numbers are same. Both numbers are same or not? Very good. Both numbers are same. So, which symbol you have to keep here? Equal to. Very good, children. Equal to. Now see this bit. You see B1. Here 987, 965. 987, 965. Okay, children. Is it bigger or small than this? Very good. This is big one. This is big one. So you keep here. Which symbol do you give? Very good. Greater than symbol we keep here. Now this one, C1, 736, 746. 736, 746. Yes, 736. You compare these numbers. Is it small or big than this? Yes, this one is small than this. So, which symbol you keep here? Very good. Less than. Less than. Now come to the D1. 864. 864. Yes, both numbers are same or not? Very good.
these both numbers are same. So you have to keep which symbol, children, here? Very good. Equal to. Okay, children. Now read these numbers and symbols. Once again, you read these ones. 520 is equal to 520. 987 is greater than 965. 736 is less than 746. 864 is equal to 864. Okay, children? This is about comparison. Let us go for another exercise, children. Let us move to the another exercise. Children, look at the page number 51 and look at the page number 51 and do the sixth exercise. Children. You write the numbers with 7, 8, 9 digits.
Okay, we can write 798 and also we can write 897. 987 comes. We can write 879 also. We can write 978 also. Which is the smallest number? 789. Which is the largest number? 987. 987. Very good. Children, observe the ascending order. It started with 789 and ended with 987. And also observe the descending order. Started with 987 and ended with 789.
Children, we have discussed many aspects so far. This is today's class. I think you have enjoyed a lot. Let us meet tomorrow with a new topic. Until then, bye. See you tomorrow. Stay at home. Be safe, children. Bye.